This is going to be a video tutorial on how to locate previously applied jobs on Indeed. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Indeed. To view your previously applied jobs on Indeed, you want to go up to the upper right hand corner, up to these little icons up here, and the icon that looks like a ribbon, if you put your mouse cursor over it, it says My Jobs. Click on My Jobs. Then on this page that opens up, it says My Jobs, and it has 4 tabs below it. It has Saved, Applied, Interviews, Archived. You want to click on the one that says Applied. Then you can scroll down through here and you could view your previously applied jobs. Now, if you have went to a company website, if you've went off of Indeed to a company website to apply for a job, Indeed may not know it. And if it's been more than 6 months, Indeed says they save these jobs for 6 months. If it's been more than 6 months, it won't show up here. But that is how you view your previously applied jobs on Indeed. Thanks for watching.